Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Noel with Team How, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can earn up to $890 in 1 hour just by reading emails. Yes guys, that's right, just by reading emails. Now I do want to throw a disclaimer out there. Even though you can earn up to $890 in 1 hour, that does not mean you will get paid in 1 hour. So you'll be doing the work and earning that amount in 1 hour, but the money will be coming in gradually within the next few days towards a weeks. Okay guys, I just wanted to throw that out there. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, guys, please go ahead and subscribe, like the video, comment and share guys. And if you're ready to make a ton of money and learn how to make a ton of money, please go ahead and comment below, I'm ready. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, first I want to go over here to clickworker.com, and at clickworker.com guys, you can do a lot of surveys and other tasks as well. It's a great website to earn money, and they pay really well guys. So some of the tasks you can do is AI training data, mobile crowdsourcing, web research, text surveys, product data management, categorizations. It's a very good platform guys. So Clickworker at a glance. It's an international company guys. It has a large workforce, quality assured and extensive expertise. It's trusted by a lot of big and well-known companies like Sharewise, Elbit Systems, Unbotify, Wellfi, T-Mobile and Epoch guys. It has a lot of reviews. So as you guys can see here, it's a well-known company, Clickworker. It's also in the news as well, how microtasking helps optimize AI-based search. You guys can earn a lot of money here guys. And before I go any further, I will be showing you how to earn money by opening emails. So you do want to stay until the end of this video, because I'll be showing you guys that at the end of the video how you can make up to $890 just by opening emails. So continuing with this, Clickworker. Alright guys, so in order to begin, you can just go ahead and click register as a Clickworker, or click here earn money as a Clickworker. So you can go ahead and click it here. Alright, it should land you on this page right here, and as you can see, profit from your talents. Clickworker is always looking for internet users worldwide who can, for example, create or correct text, participate in surveys, or search and categorize data for us. How it works: you can sign up as a Clickworker free of charge. So this is completely free to sign up guys, and free to work. You work independently, and your schedule is flexible, and all you need is a computer and or mobile device. So guys, you set your own time working with Clickworker. And you can also work from a computer or a mobile device. So you can also be working from your mobile, okay? Device with an internet connection. You decide when and how much you want to work. So as you can see guys, what types of jobs are there? There are currently text creation jobs, categorization jobs, copy editing, surveys, research, proofreading, mystery visit, app testing. So it's a whole wide range of services that you can provide here guys. Photo capturing, video recordings, audio recordings, and plenty more. And this is how you get started guys. This is how it works. First, you'll need to sign up at clickworker.com. Second, you'll need to fill out your user profile, complete short assessments. Good results ensure many jobs. Remember that guys. Process your jobs online. Get paid on a weekly or monthly basis. So this website actually pays you weekly guys, okay, or monthly. You decide and you choose which one you want to get paid. Alright guys, so that's Clickworker. Make sure you guys check it out. I really highly recommend Clickworker. I know a lot of persons that's currently working on it full time, and it can be a life changer right now in this even in this corona epidemic that we're in right now, guys, and a lot of persons need jobs to work from home. All right. So first of all, I want to show you how it looks on Play Store as well. All right, guys. So this is how it looks on Play Store, as you can see here. So you can just go ahead and download the app and sign up from your mobile device and everything like that. Okay. Right. So let's move on to the other website now. Okay, guys. And this other website is called Vindal Research at vindal.com. So first of all, I just want to get this out the way. Vindal Research website is one of the best paid surveys websites on the web right now. It pays up to $50 per survey. Okay, guys? And it's also free to get started. As you can see here, get paid to take surveys online. Vindal is the secure, reliable, and free survey site for anyone who wants to earn money online. So guys, you can earn a ton of money just sitting at home, and it also pays you to open emails alone, guys. I will be getting to that closer to the end of the video. Okay? So as you can see here, easy online surveys, hundreds of paid surveys added daily. So they add surveys daily. This is how much they have already paid out to members on the website, which is over $7 million they've already paid out. You get paid through PayPal, and you can work from any device, whether that be computer, laptop, or mobile device or tablet. Okay? It's Trustpilot. You can go ahead and get the reviews from Trustpilot. And this is how it works, guys. First of all, take paid surveys. Share demographic information about yourself, and Vindal Research will match you to paid surveys. Browse current surveys in a list on our website, or have us email you when new surveys come in that you qualify for. Getting paid for the opinion couldn't be easier. And as you can see, guys, these are some of the prices they pay for surveys, which are very high. Okay. Number 2, redeem your earnings by PayPal. So they pay via PayPal, guys. So you need a PayPal account for this. When choosing your reward, select payment via PayPal and spend your earnings however you like. It's that easy. Again, this is how much they've already paid out. Over $7 million to persons that work online from home, guys. So this is a very good website for you. What are the surveys about? Alright, guys, so the surveys can be about just about anything, and you get to choose what type of surveys you want to do. So if you're interested in cars, politics, popular restaurants, technology, if you're interested in travel, shopping, fashion, health and beauty, sports, it's your choice, guys. You choose whichever survey you want to take, something that you're passionate about, something that you like to talk about. It's all up to you. And that is one of the greatest things about Vindal Research. Okay? And here it is. It shows what makes Vindal Research unique. A few reasons to join Vindal Research: cash payment, no points or coupons. So they only pay out cash. Full service support team, so you're always able to get to the support team. Take surveys on any device, guys. Okay? It's that simple. And ways to earn, you can see here: paid studies, referral program. So referral program, guys, is basically the same thing as affiliate marketing. I'll be making a video on that soon. Your photos, Vindal videos, reward mail, reward codes. Okay, guys, reward codes. And also, guys, before I forget, the reward mail is also where they will pay you to open mails, guys. Okay? Every mail you open, you can earn a lot of money just by opening mails. I just wanted to say that because I forgot. Alright? And that's just about it. Here are some persons that shows how much they've been paid. And you can do this as well, guys. And the security is very top notch. As you can see here, the information you share about yourself is necessary to find service you qualify for. We make sure that information is securely transmitted and stored. So this website is completely secured by SSL encryption, guys, and it's also verified by Norton Symantec. Yes. Alright guys, so that's just about it right now. I really recommend both of these websites, especially Vindal Research, if you want to make fast money, easy money, and basically make money on your own conditions, your own terms, guys. You choose everything, okay? So if this video was helpful to you guys in any way, please go ahead, subscribe, leave a comment below what else you would like me to make a video on, and I'll get to it. Okay guys, thanks again, bye.